Hello everyone. If you want your downloaded media on WhatsApp Android phone to be in HD quality, how do we make sure that it is always in HD quality? The media you are downloading, right? So for that, go to the settings area and tap on storage and data. Now, in front of you, there are some options and you have to tap on auto download quality. So whatever is being downloaded on its own, its quality will be decided here. So either it will be standard quality or HD quality. So you can select it particularly for videos and photos. Regardless of what sender is sending you, the quality will be in HD of your photos and videos. And that is how we make sure that the photos or the videos you get will be in the HD quality. So select that option if you have not, and see you in the next video. And see you in the next video. Ta-da!